my name is Dian, and I'm originally Indonesian. Yeah. I always love cooking and baking, and then I did dream that one day I would like to have my own business. Yeah, which is now my dreams come true, because when I found this location, it's perfect, because it's between all the offices building and everything like that. I know sometimes Indonesian food and coffee is not really married well, because but I'm willing to take a risk, because I'm trained as a pastry chef, to be a pastry chef. That's why I gained my certificate 3 in patisserie from Stokes College. But yeah, I'm willing to do it like for the coffee and the cafe and introduction, as well as the Indonesian cooking, Indonesian cafe. That's why we call it Cafe Batavia. The name Cafe Batavia was very popular back to Indonesian is under the Dutch colony in the past. And Jakarta is very famous in the past as the name Batavia. And it's only a small place I have, so it's only 3 of us basically running the place. And then, who knows, probably one day I could employ more people. Yeah. What's something I learned from Stokes College is some trick, maybe, like just said, when we learn about, I forget the name, but I know it was from that batch that we cook the macaroon as well. And then something other thing, especially about the making of bread. That was we learned a lot. And the trick about how to keep, the trainer give us about the secret trick, like how to make the bread was really good. And then some other thing as well, how to bake the pastry, like how to do the just say blind bake, and to make sure like it's not shrink down and everything like that. And yeah, we learn a lot. I mean, I already know baking, but still you always learn something new every day.